Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best potty training seat that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Mayfair 1888 SLOW 346 NEX TSTEP2 toilet seat built. This combo seat from Mayfair replaces your current toilet seat and features both a regular adult toilet seat and a toddler-sized potty seat. Parents rave about the ease of use and the invisible footprint in the bathroom. This option is available in both a round and elongated shape and is available in 3 colors: linen, bone, and white to best match your existing toilet. If you're up for a project, this could be a great solution for your family. Although, you may still want a portable potty seat for when you're out and about. We love that this offers a one-and-done take on a toddler potty. There is no need to remove or store it when not in use. In our experience, this seat is an ideal long-term solution for older kids who are still a bit nervous about the gaping hole of an adult-sized toilet. Your child will likely be using this up to 7 or 8 years of age. The slow close lid is a nice touch that prevents the loud slam that may annoy parents and startle young children, and the smaller seat is removable when your child outgrows it. We think it is worth it as you can get years of use out of the product. Installing it is more of a process as it requires you to remove your old seat entirely and attach the new one. You will need a screwdriver and a can-do attitude to get the job done. Number 2, Gimars non-slip no-falling travel folding portable potty training seat. Another fantastic choice for travel is this budget-friendly potty seat from Gimars. It folds up to a compact 6 inches by 7 inches, comes with its own little travel bag, features non-slip grips, and has a colorful owl design that appeals to kids. Adults can't argue with the low cost and the convenience of a foldable seat that can be easily stashed in your diaper bag because potty training moments happen everywhere. The simple seat-like design is inviting for toddlers who aren't quite ready for the toilet, with the necessary functionality of a potty chair. The detachable bowl makes for easy cleanup after each use, and parents note that the shape of the splash guard is effective for both girls and boys. The chair also has non-slip material along the bottom rim, ensuring a scoot-free bathroom experience. It's only available in this green and white color palette, limiting your ability. And there is a pee splash guard to prevent accidents. But some customers on Amazon complained that the splash guard isn't high enough, so their boys ended up peeing on the floor. Limiting your ability. And there is a pee splash guard to prevent accidents. But some customers on Amazon complained that the splash guard isn't high enough, so their boys ended up peeing on the floor. Number 3, Munchkin sturdy potty seat, green. This potty training seat comes with grips to assure it stays in place and has a flexible, soft-touch splash guard to prevent accidents. It works on both standard and elongated seats. Parents like that this has a splash guard tall enough to catch all the urine, making it perfect for the parent who enjoys Splash Mountain at Disneyland but does not like it inside the bathroom. The splash guard's pliability assures safety when getting on and off the seat. The seat is also easy to remove and install. Some parents have complained that it's hard to clean though the splash guard works. The seat comes with many crevices that act as storage pools for urine. The potty seat is soft and cushiony, which my 3-year-old seems to like, although in all honesty, he's more interested in discussing the show Paw Patrol than potty seat contours. But anything that encourages a child to stay on that potty is a plus. But the puffiness of the seat does make it a little higher, which means he has more trouble climbing onto the seat. This potty seat tends to slide around a bit once positioned on the adult toilet. It doesn't sit as tightly as the Cozy Greens potty seat. Number 4, potty training toilet seat with step stool ladder. The Mango Hood potty training toilet seat is a padded toilet seat with an adjustable ladder for ages 1 to 8 years old. It comes in blue-green, pictured, blue-purple, and pink-white. Some versions include an updated cushion seat. It is 26.1 x 14.7 x 3.9 inches in size. This potty seat fits most toilet shapes, other than square, and fits standard height toilets, 133 to 16.53 from floor to seat. The ladder helps children climb up in a safe way, helping them to use the potty independently. As the child grows, the ladder footrest can be adjusted between 2 heights. When not in use, the ladder easily folds up to be put out of the way. A downfall of the ladder is that it sometimes does not sit level on the floor, causing it to not be as sturdy. Unlike many potty seats, this seat should be placed directly on the toilet bowl for the best fit. Some parents have issues with messes because the splash guard is too short. Fortunately, if there are any issues, Mangohood offers a lifetime warranty on this product. It's going to take quite some time before they really get it right. Some comfortable seating for the commode is in order to help them really nail toilet training from the get-go. There are two kinds of potty trainers: potty training toilets. The self-contained chairs that sit on the floor and are used by kids at the beginning of the toilet training process, and potty training seats that sit on a standard toilet. We looked at the latter that sits on your toilet. Number 5, Munchkin Grip Potty Training Seat, Gray. This potty training seat comes with grips to assure it stays in place and has a flexible, soft-touch splash guard to prevent accidents. It works on both standard and elongated seats. Parents like that this has a splash guard tall enough to catch all the urine, making it perfect for the parent who enjoys Splash Mountain at Disneyland but does not like it inside the bathroom. The splash guard's pliability assures safety when getting on and off the seat. The seat is also easy to remove and install. Some parents have complained that it's hard to clean, though the splash guard works. The seat comes with many crevices that act as storage pool. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.